everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now we all enjoy those nice crispy snacks while having a nice hot cup of chai or coffee. Today I'm going to share a very special recipe with you guys which is very popular across Tamil Nadu. Usually this is available in tea stalls and we're going to make the special Keerai Vadai. Now this is made with greens and I'm going to show this recipe using Palak Leaves. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, take 1 cup of Chana Dal. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. And add about 1/4 cup of Urad Dal. Wash the dals thoroughly 2 to 3 times, then soak them together in enough water for about 2 hours. If you prefer, you can soak them separately as well. After soaking the dals will plump up beautifully. Strain all the water completely and keep them aside. Now transfer the soaked dals to a mixer jar and grind to a nice coarse mixture. Remember, do not add any water while grinding. Scrape the sides and grind in batches if needed. The texture should be slightly coarse, not too smooth. Transfer this ground mixture into a large mixing bowl. Now comes the flavoring part. To the dal mixture, add 1 finely chopped onion, about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic pound, 1 small piece of finely chopped ginger, and 2 finely chopped green chilies. For extra flavor, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida powder. For the greens, I'm using Palak Leaves, but honestly, you can use any fresh greens of your choice, like Methi leaves, amaranth leaves, or even moringa leaves. Just clean them thoroughly, chop them fine, and add to the batter. After adding, mix well and check the consistency. It should be thick enough to shape, yet not too dry. Here's a tip: always add the greens just before frying the vadas. Greens release moisture and can make the batter watery if mixed too early. Now heat enough oil in a Kadai on medium flame. Wet your palms slightly with water. Take a small portion of the batter and shape it into vadas. So you can see they look like round patties. Gently drop them one by one into the hot oil. Deep fry only about 3 to 4 vadas at a time depending on the size of your Kadai. Don't overcrowd or the vadas will not cook evenly. Flip them at intervals and fry them till they turn to a lovely, beautiful golden brown color on both sides. Keep the flame on medium so that the vadas turn perfectly crispy on the outside while cooking and soft and fluffy on the inside. Once ready, just place it on some paper towels to absorb the excess oil. And there you go, here is our crispy golden Keerai Vada that is ready to be enjoyed. You can pair it with some yummy coconut chutney or simply enjoy it with some hot steaming cup of tea. This combination is just heavenly. This snack is perfect for tea time, rainy evenings, or even as a party starter. Don't miss out on making this crispy, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible Keerai Vadai. Well, it's time to taste these hot, crispy Keerai Vadais with some fresh coconut chutney. Well, it's a great combination. The flavors are just fantastic. It's a perfect evening tea time snack, but you can make it anytime and enjoy it while it's still hot. And of course, the coconut chutney and vada combination is just spot on. Well, that vada was just simply amazing. So if you're having a tea party at home, or if your friends or guests or relatives are coming over, surprise them with these delicious Keerai Vadais. I'm telling you, they will just enjoy. Do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.